Have you ever wondered how software, an intangible series of programmed instructions, manages to exhibit intelligence and interact with us in a seemingly human way? Today, we dive deep into the world of software development, specifically focusing on the concept of machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that provides systems the ability to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It's a fascinating concept, and understanding it is a fundamental part of being a modern software developer. To start, picture a child learning to identify different objects. The child sees an object, hears its name from an adult, and begins to associate that name with the object. Over time, the child can identify the object independently. This is, in essence, how machine learning works. It's a process of training an algorithm to recognize patterns in data, allowing it to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Now, to put this into a software context, consider a machine learning algorithm as the child and data as the object. The algorithm is trained on a set of data, learning from it and making educated guesses or predictions based on what it has learned. The first step in the machine learning process is to gather and prepare the data. This data can be anything from customer data for a business, scientific measurements, or even images for a facial recognition system. The data is then split into two sets, a training set and a test set. The second step is to choose and train the machine learning model. This model is essentially the algorithm or set of rules that the machine will follow to make its predictions. The model is trained on the training data set, learning patterns and relationships within the data. The third step is to test the model using the test data set. This is an untouched set of data that the model hasn't seen before. If the model can make accurate predictions with this new data, it means it has learned well from the training data. The final step is to use the model to make predictions on new data. This is where the true power of machine learning comes into play, as the model can now make educated predictions or decisions based on what it has learned. Remember, machine learning isn't about programming explicit rules. It's about training an algorithm to learn and make decisions based on patterns it recognizes in data. And this, in essence, is how software can exhibit a form of intelligence. To summarize, machine learning is a process that involves gathering and preparing data, choosing and training a machine learning model, testing the model, and then using it to make predictions. It's a fascinating field that's integral to modern software development and a crucial part of how software can learn, adapt, and interact in a seemingly intelligent way. So the next time you interact with a piece of software that seems to know what you're looking for or understands your preferences, remember, it's all thanks to the wonders of machine learning.